Hi, this is Barry from the Red Box. I'm at the Linda's Dry Cleaners head office store, which is in Bella Vista, New South Wales, Sydney, Australia. Today we have installed last night the boiler automated scheduling system. I'm going to come through first thing this morning and show you how it all works. Okay, so I guess the hardest thing while I'm just waiting for the dry cleaners to turn up is that trying to convince the dry cleaners into leaving all their valves open. So basically we've activated the blowdown valve as open, the main steam line is open, the main water line is open, and the sight glass blowdown is also open. Now it's open but it's closed because the pneumatic controllers are now controlling it, and they are the ones that are turning everything off and holding everything into place. So last night the dry cleaner was a little bit freaked out because he said, what happens if the water tank overflows the boiler and we can't start in the morning? I said, well, test this valve here. This valve is off. There is no way that the water from that tank can come into this tank unless it's controlled. So I'm just waiting for him to turn up this morning so we can prove that's the first big test, is that there's no flood. Okay, so I guess the big question is why would this dry cleaner want an automated scheduling maintenance system connected to their boilers and air compressors? Well, at the end of the day, in dry cleaning, I've been in dry cleaning for 25 years. I know that unless you are very, very pedantic on what you're doing with your boilers into the way of correct temperature, blowing down, emptying and cleaning your blowdown tanks and your feed tanks and your air compressors, that your maintenance becomes an issue where you get impurities on the bottom of your tank. So the whole idea of the dry cleaning made easy automated scheduling management system is to prevent that. That's what preventative maintenance is. I know in my stores, when I had stores, the dry cleaner that was operating that store, I blew down that boiler at the correct temperature and blah blah blah. Now you don't have to worry about it. This is the reason why we've done it. And guys, by the way, this is the first one in Australia in the dry cleaning industry, and I'll dare say, and anyone can question me and I'll retract it, I think it's the first one in the world to completely automate the whole system of the boiler preventative maintenance system. Happy for anyone to tell me that different, and I'll retract it. Thank you. Okay, so we're now ready to start the boiler for the first time. Arthur from Linda's Dry Cleaners has got the honours of doing it. So Arthur, when you're ready, press the start button. That's it. So that's now turned on the pump and started doing the water. We just go to the display page. Okay, so now what you can see is we've got green. So green in here, which is showing us everything's now live. You can see that the steam is not on because we don't have power up. There's the elements heating, pump will come in, and etc. So we'll stop for a second and wait for it to come up, and then we'll go further. Okay guys, it's about 10 minutes later, we're up to 400. The steam line's already opened up, so we dropped a little bit of pressure while it's heating up, and we're just waiting for it to hit its 600 peak, so then all the stuff works. Okay, we're a couple of minutes later and we're getting up to peak. We're looking for 600. Okay, we're getting closer now to the 600, and then it will start doing its preventative maintenance quickly, and then we've got live steam. So you should hear some noises in a couple of seconds. There we go, guys. So it's now just done its first blow down and its first sight glass. So sight glass, as you can see, is crystal clear. Heating elements are off, and now we have full steam and the machine is ready to go.